Can a small business truly reach global customers without big distributors? The answer lies in e-commerce exports through the direct-to-consumer model. Let's explore the compliance and growth playbook for MSMEs. Why e-commerce exports matter. Cross-border e-commerce is the fastest growing export channel. D2C helps MSMEs cut intermediaries, boost margins, and build global identity matching today's digital adoption and consumer demand for direct engagement. Compliance foundations. A strong compliance base is essential. MSMEs need an import-export code, Justine, PAN, and an authorized dealer code linking banks with customs. Also check if products are free, restricted, or prohibited under export policy. Documentation essentials. Accurate paperwork drives smooth exports. Key documents include invoices with HSN and GST details, shipping or courier bills, product certifications like APEDA or CDSCO, and an electronic bank realization certificate. RBI and FEMA compliance. Payments must follow RBI and FEMA rules. Export proceeds should be realized within 9 months or 15 if stored overseas. Every transaction is tracked digitally through RBI's export data processing and monitoring system. GST refunds and liquidity. Exports are zero-rated under GST. Refunds through shipping bills and GSTR1 improve liquidity. But mismatches between GST and customs data often cause delays. Accuracy is key. Logistics and reverse shipments. Logistics vary by scale, postal for parcels, courier for speed, or 4PL for bulk. For returns, goods must be re-imported under the IEC with a courier bill of entry. Selling platforms and costs. Marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay, and social platforms like Instagram shops offer global reach. But MSMEs must budget for referral fees, cataloging, and logistics costs that affect margins. MSME export checklist. Before exporting, MSMEs should confirm compliance readiness, set up FEMA compliant banking, build SEO-driven catalogs, and ensure secure packaging. Targeting diaspora and festive demand like Diwali, Eid, or Christmas boost sales. Future trends and outlook. By 2030, cross-border e-commerce may cross $2 trillion. Stronger postal networks, digital payments, and AI-driven insights will shape the future. MSMEs that blend compliance with digital adoption will lead the wave. E-commerce exports through D2C open global opportunities for MSMEs. Subscribe for more insights. Stay informed, stay compliant.